to my studio. I'm Wendy O'Brien. Thanks for dropping by. Today's video I will be drawing Project 6 from the Strathmore Learning Series How to Draw Nature with Colored Pencil. This fawn will be rendered on Strathmore Bristol vellum paper using Prismacolor Premier pencils. If you would like to see more tutorials, product reviews, and participate in future live streams, consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you don't miss out. I began by outlining the fawn with ginger root, as well as sketching in the spots on the upper body. I was then supposed to use sienna brown to block the color around the spots. Well, let's just say that my brain and hand had two completely different ideas as to what the color sienna brown was. By the time I realized what had happened, it was a bit too late. But I pressed on with the hope of fixing it later on. Have you done a project and picked up the wrong color and realized halfway through what happened? Did you continue on or start over? Let me know in the comments below, and if you did continue, did you end up liking the outcome or just work through the whole project a bit disheartened and hated it in the end? Well, that was the beginning of one mistake after another. I blocked in the various areas using a combination of light umber, beige sienna, brown, and sand, and I used black and light umber for the eyes and the fur around the eyes. I tried fixing the color by layering the correct color over the wrong one, and for the most part, it worked, but didn't leave a lot of room for layering additional colors later on. I continued working through the colors, adding dark umber and goldenrod into the mix. When working in the lighter areas, I applied sand and cream with a bit of ginger root and sienna brown. I added a bit of dark purple over the nose, then black, and blended with white. As I worked through this piece, I really wasn't feeling it, and the fur turned out horribly wrong. I think picking up that wrong color at the beginning just started me out on the wrong foot, and it just ate away at me subconsciously. I also found that some of the direction was a bit confusing with this project, and it didn't seem to match up with what the reference was for that section. Again, it could have just been my mindset once that wrong color was put down, but I have noticed that this is a recurring theme with the directions throughout both the colored pencil books in the Strathmore Learning Series. It is very possible it could just be the way I work versus the way the author works. It could also be what the author has in mind isn't exactly explained in an easy to follow manner. I am often left wondering what exactly is meant by what is written. Anyway, I finished struggling through the piece by completing the grass using a combination of lime peel, olive green, and dark brown. I hope you enjoyed this video and at least learned that everyone has a bad day here and there, but working through it gives you a sense of accomplishment, and there's always something to learn, even if you hate it in the end. Until next time, keep on arting. Bye!